So this is a leaking split system. It's just leaking on the right hand side near the power light. It could also leak in the center depending on if the hose is actually wrecked. Now, I'm going to show you how to fix this and also do a service. So there's 3 screws out the front that you need to remove. A few split systems are fairly similar, so keep watching. If this is not your brand, this will help you and give you tips. So once you've removed all the screws around the outer casing, gently remove it. There is 2 screws holding the bottom of the unit in place. Remove those screws and there's 2 clips. Press them in and the bottom of the unit should be able to swing free. The drain hose is one of the largest hoses and usually blocks up and overfills at the top. Unwrap the electrical tape holding the drain hose and the hose leading into the unit. Have a bucket underneath to catch all the water. Use a vacuum cleaner to suck out both ends of the hose until you hear it free up. Best to use an old vacuum cleaner or a vacuum cleaner that can suck up water, because you will get some coming through. This will get rid of the blockage and stop it from overflowing and out through the unit. If it's just a bad connection, pull it apart and re-tape it up. While you're at it, you might as well vacuum all the dust out of the cooling gills. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe.